Hello guys, welcome back to Ganesha Astrology. I am Ganesh Shanbag. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can get latest update of upcoming videos. Till now we have learned about functional benefic and functional malefic planets for Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer ascendant. Today we will study about functional benefic and functional malefic planet for Leo ascendant. Native born in Leo ascendant are brave and are natural leaders. They are creative, self-confident, dominating and able to achieve top position in life. Now we will study how different planets function for Leo ascendant. Jupiter, Moon, Mercury, and Venus are natural benefic planets, and Saturn, Mars, Rahu, and Ketu are natural malefic planets. But in Vedic astrology, depending on ascendant, these planets change their nature from malefic to benefic and from benefic to malefic. There are four principles for studying about functional benefic and functional malefic for each ascendant. Principle number 1. Trines or Trikona Lord always gives good result. Principle number 2. If Kendra Lord are natural malefic, they give good result. And if Kendra Lord are natural benefic, then it will give bad result as it causes Kendradipati dosha. Principle number 3. Lord of 3rd house, 6th house and 11th house always gives bad result. Principle number 4. Lord of 2nd house, 8th house and 12th house are neutral. Although 8th and 12th house are Dusthana house. This principle we have to apply for all ascendant to find out which planet is functional benefic or functional malefic. Planet Mars. Mars for Leo ascendant is the most powerful functional benefic planet. Firstly, Mars is the lord of 4th house, and secondly it rules 9th house, that is Kendra and Trine house. In Vedic astrology, if any planet is the ruler of Kendra and Trine simultaneously, then that planet becomes Rajyog Karak planet for that ascendant. Here, Mars is the ruler of Kendra and Trine. So, Mars alone can be Rajyog Karak planet for Leo ascendant. If Mars in good dignity is in Lagna, Kendra or Trine, then during his dasha, it becomes very auspicious result to the native. Second planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is also powerful benefic for Leo ascendant as it rules 5th house, Trine house, Puru Punya house. But Jupiter is also rules 8th house, that is somewhat Dusthana house. But Jupiter's Mool Trikon Rashi, Sagittarius, falls in 5th house, so Jupiter here becomes powerful functional benefic for Leo ascendant. Sun is the ascendant lord. It is the ruler of ascendant. So Sun becomes powerful benefic for Leo ascendant. Any conjunction or aspects or conjunction of Mars, Sun, Jupiter can create great Raj Yoga for Leo ascendant. Planet Mercury. Mercury is the lord of 2nd house and the 11th house. As per our rule number 3, if the lord of 3, 6 and 11th house always gives bad result. Secondly, Mercury is the ruler of 2nd house. Marka house gives death-like suffering for the native. So, Mercury is powerful natural malefic for Leo ascendant. Planet Venus. Venus is the lord of 3rd house. As per our rule number 3, Lord of third house, sixth house, and 11th house always give bad result. Secondly, Venus is the Lord of 10th house. Any natural benefit rules Kendra house, it becomes great functional malefic for that ascendant. So, Venus becomes powerful natural functional malefic for Leo ascendant. Saturn. Saturn rules house number 6 and house number 7 for Leo ascendant. Sixth lord always gives bad result, brings disease, litigation, deaths and enemy. Secondly, Saturn rules 7th house. 7th house is Marka house, gives death like suffering. So Saturn becomes powerful natural malefic for Leo ascendant. And as you know, Saturn is a great enemy of Sun, ascendant lord of Leo ascendant. So Saturn is terrible malefic planet for Leo ascendant. Planet Moon. Moon is the ruler of 12th house. 12th house signifies losses, suffering, expenses, hospitalization, but 12th house also signifies foreign travels. So Moon, being the friend of Sun, can bring some good result, but being 12th lord, Moon becomes somewhat natural and functional malefic for Leo ascendant. From this, we can conclude that for Leo ascendant, Mars is the most powerful and Rajयोग Karak planet. If Mars in good dignity is placed in Kendra or Trine house, can bring you success, prosperity and fame. Like in Donald Trump chart, he was born in Leo ascendant and Mars is placed in ascendant, which brought you success, fame, wealth in real estate business. Second most powerful benefic planet for Leo ascendant is Jupiter, as it is Lord of 5th house. Sun being ascendant Lord for Leo ascendant normally brings name, fame and good health to the native. Mercury being Marka Lord, that is Lord of 2nd house, brings death like suffering to the native. Mercury is also the 11th Lord, which always brings bad result. Venus for Leo ascendant being 3rd Lord and 10th Lord always gives bad result. Saturn is the Lord of 7th house, that is Marka house, and 6th Lord brings stress and death like suffering. Moon is the ruler of 12th house, gives losses and expenses. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.